The iMartine robot vacuum and mop combo is a diligent little helper. A tireless sentinel standing guard against dust, bunnies and spills. It's a silent servant, meticulously traversing your home's landscape. And its low-profile design allows it to slip effortlessly beneath furniture, reaching the dark, forgotten corners where dust congregates. This clever contraption offers multiple control options, so you can manage it with a simple voice command, a few taps on your smartphone, or with the included remote. The powerful suction acts like a vacuum black hole, pulling in dirt, pet hair, and debris with relentless efficiency. And its tangle-free design means it won't get bogged down by long hair or threads. For those seeking an efficient and hands-off cleaning solution, the iMartine robot vacuum for hard floors is a dream come true. Furthermore, it transitions seamlessly from vacuuming to mopping, giving your floors a pristine shine. This robotic marvel is a true master of multitasking, a choreographer of cleanliness that glides gracefully across your floors. It's an intelligent device that can be scheduled to clean at your convenience, ensuring that your home is always tidy. Consequently, it automatically returns to its charging dock to refuel after its mission is complete. The whisper-quiet operation is a bonus, so it won't disrupt your daily life or startle your pets. Indeed, it's so unobtrusive you might even forget it's there. The iMartine robot vacuum for hard floors is an essential tool for any household, particularly those with furry friends, because it tirelessly tackles pet hair and dander. Ultimately, its slim design, coupled with its robust cleaning power, makes it an indispensable addition to any modern home. Finally, the iMartine robot vacuum and mop combo is more than just a cleaning tool. It's a testament to convenience and modern technology. It represents a new era of home maintenance, a future where we are freed from the drudgery of daily chores. This little robot is a reliable workhorse, a miniature cleaning crew that operates with precision and purpose. It's an investment in a cleaner, more comfortable living space, and its ability to handle both vacuuming and mopping saves you time and effort. In conclusion, the iMartine robot vacuum for hard floors is a dependable and efficient partner in the battle against dirt, and it provides a level of cleanliness that is both consistent and effortless. Consequently, this robot is a fantastic choice for anyone who wants to reclaim their free time. Pros: saves a lot of effort, doesn't break the bank, software is easy to understand, integrates with Google Home, good suction, does a great job, runs a long time, quieter than some, great value for the price, helps keep floors looking good. Cons: washes rugs, gets stuck on carpeting, fills up fast, no handle to pick it up, gets stuck under the couch, no mapping feature, mop cushion shrinks. Features: vacuums and mops floors, can be controlled with voice, uses an app and remote control, can be scheduled to clean, has strong suction power, tangle-free design, has a slim profile, operates quietly, automatically recharges itself, good for pet hair. The iMartine robot vacuum and mop combo is a versatile cleaning device that can both vacuum and mop floors. It offers multiple control options, including voice commands, a mobile app, and a remote control, and can be scheduled for automated cleaning. The robot features strong suction power and a tangle-free design, making it effective for homes with pets. Its slim and quiet operation allows it to clean hard-to-reach areas without causing a disturbance, and it automatically returns to its charging base when needed. The iMartine robot vacuum and mop combo is a budget-friendly and user-friendly appliance that effectively cleans various floor types, including low-pile carpets, hard floors, and even rugs, while operating with a relatively low noise level. Its strong suction and long battery life contribute to its efficiency. and it offers convenient control options through a remote, app, or voice commands via Google Home integration. Although it provides great value, it has some notable drawbacks, such as a small dustbin that fills up quickly, a tendency to get stuck on certain carpets and under furniture, and the lack of a mapping feature. Additionally, the mop cushion may shrink after use, and the unit lacks a handle, making it difficult to pick up when needed.